What's going on, and welcome back to Knife Life EDC. Check out this big old honking box. Came in the mail today, obviously from Vosteed. Came via White Mountain Knives, so if you need to check them out, check them out. Use Knife Life or code Knife Life. You'll get 10% off. Usually covers shipping, maybe a little more, which is awesome, right? Kind of wanted to check this one out for a little while now. Comes in a big awkward box, I would say, for a knife, so I'm kind of curious about how it's gonna come out. I guess. Um, if you guys are gonna like this video, obviously, give some feedback or leave a thumbs up, please. I always greatly appreciate it. It helps the algorithm, and it gets the videos out more, and more people can see them, stuff like that. Or if you have a comment, obviously, leave the comment. Love to hear from you guys. Let's just see what's in here. How to maintain. Alright, so there you go. You have how to maintain your knife. You have a warranty right there. Stay sharp, stay wild. Yeah, cool. Kind of dope little case, though. I'm not going to lie. Reminds me of like a little Pelican case. Yeah, that's probably like 20 bucks right there for you. Not really. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe not. I'm just joking. Let's get it out, though. I think this knife is actually just south of 200 or maybe $200. Let's check out what we got. We got a Thunderbird sticker. We have a patch, Thunderbird Vosteed. Got your cloth right here, your cleaning cloth. Kind of a nice little, oh, whoa, crap. This is kind of cool. I really like this little case. Like, this is kind of dope. Presentation is put together very, very well. It's kind of cool how they did that, because then you could use this for other stuff. Like, this is a knife you could put right there, and you put another knife right there. Take it with you. You're not going to get harmed. It's not going to get harmed, and it even has a lock on it. And I'm pretty sure that's like air, stuff like that, or something, or maybe, I don't know. But let's check it out. This is the Thunderbird. Let's put this back in. Get it out of the way. This is one I was kind of checking out. I know I wasn't checking out, I was eyeballing. They've had some others come out recently. And this is the titanium version, or titanium black frag. I'm wanting to check it out a little bit. I think the other ones I was looking at were a little bigger. I think this one is a little smaller, a little shorter. It definitely does feel a little heavy. Heavier than the Carix, I would say. The Megaron Carix, excuse me. It is a button lock. Opens up very smooth, though. At least with the thumb hole. Let's try that front flipper out. Oh, nope. See, I'm awkward about the thumb flipper because it's kind of rounded like that, so I don't know how to quite get it just yet. Well, let's check that out there. Obviously, back flipper's good. I say that, then I do that right. Not too bad. Get some real safe. Got some jipping right there. Some little texture for your finger right there. Let's try it again. There we go. Alright, so I got the front flipper down. I know some people could do it with their fingers like this, and I have small fingers. I have short fingers. They're short, stubby little things. They're not going to do that. I tried on all the front flippers. I can never do it. You really have to push. I just noticed it on the first couple flips when I was trying to close it, obviously. You really have to make sure you get that all the button. It's obviously a button lock. You really have to make sure you get that in there all the way. Because I'm not always, sticking them all the way in. Let me see if I got something else right here. Yeah, like this with the CJRB Echo. I feel like I don't have to push that in quite all the way, like mash it all the way down in order for it to close. This I feel like I do. It's not bad, obviously. I think it might also be because, let's check this out again. See, this goes back in there too. Let's check out how far they stick out. So that really, well, obviously you can't check it out that way, dummy, right? My bad. Let's get the hair off there, kind of gross, right? So that sticks out farther on the Echo than the Thunderbird. So, not much, but enough that I think I do like this locking better, button lock better. Not that this is bad. It just would take a minute to get used to, that's all. Like, I'll obviously carry it and review it, and I'll probably be fine with it. But right off the bat, though, I do notice it kind of does, like, almost stick in a way. This is a lot smaller than I thought, too. It's a little thinner. For some reason, I thought it would be a little thicker in hand, but it's not really. It's actually a smaller knife than I thought. It does fit very well in your hand, though. And although it's like titanium and this got the frag pattern, I didn't. This is my first frag pattern too. I was kind of curious about how it would feel in hand. It doesn't feel bad. Like I figured it might slip a little bit or something like that. But with the grooves and everything like that, the texturing, it really does fit in your hand pretty well. What I do like about this is it is L Max, as you can see right there. I don't know what the blade shape is. I was kind of thinking about that. I can't remember what it said, so I'm not quite sure on that. It is ambidextrous, so that's awesome, at least with the pocket clip. Deep carry tip down. It's got a nice little back spacer right there for you. No, they have like they have a lot of versions of this. I think this is the small. I think they have two different lengths. I can't remember what they are. I think this is the smaller one though, like I said earlier. But they have like a lot of different like G-Mascus. I don't know if I pronounced that right. I think I said G-Mascus, whatever it is. You have titanium. They have a couple of nice titanium. I think they have a couple of nice aluminum handles, like one blue and one obviously like silver. Great looking knives. They do really look. They look sharp. Obviously, not like sharp as in cutting wise. They look very well put together. I wonder what the screws are. Let's check those out real quick just to make sure, because I think they are two different types. Vosteed, I think, with a T6 right here. Yep. T8. T8. T6. Yep. Like I said, the T6 are on the pocket clip, which kind of sucks, obviously, but that's alright. We will make do. It looks like a nice knife. A nice knife, excuse me. Talk about a tongue twister, right? So I'm hopefully going to check this out pretty soon. Carry it quite a bit. Everything looks pretty centered. I'll get a close-up of the pattern and everything for you guys so you guys can get a real good look at it. It looks pretty good. I do like the thumb hole too, though. I like that it has like multiple ways of opening it. I'm really big into that. I like to usually have a front flipper and a thumb hole. That's my preferred methods, but if I can't get that, obviously, you know, whatever. I'll get over it. I'll move on. I'm really curious to see how that button lock holds up, like using it wise. Whether I'm going to like it or not, I don't know. It's almost small too, like just like in diameter. Or circumference. I don't know which one. Crap. As you can tell also, the Echo is quite a bit bigger. Like button. Maybe that's why I hit it better. I don't know. It's a little bigger, so it's a little easier to smash down. Maybe that's why this is a little harder to smash down. It's because it is smaller. But it does have a really good lockup. Like it's... Huh. I don't know if that's common among button locks. I know Vosteed has had a few problems. Nothing there. I'm really kind of curious about that. It's not the same, obviously, as CJRB. And if I didn't notice this earlier, like the button, the locking bar is completely, entirely covered up. Like you don't ever see it. So I wonder if that has something to do with it. Well, I wonder if I can... I don't want to cut myself, obviously. Okay, I'm trying to push on it a little bit just to see if it would come out. It's not really coming. I'm not hitting hard, honestly. I'm not hitting real hard for some reason when it does that. But like when I was trying to move it by hand, like I was trying kind of hard. Obviously, I was being safe. If I was going to push it, it would have hit that, obviously, so I wouldn't have cut myself. But I don't know. It's just it's weird. The raccoons were like that. Some of them. I don't know if they got them fixed or not. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. I thought they did. I don't know what's going on with this, but they still make a pretty good knife. I wouldn't. Well, I guess I'll be trying it out, and I'll let you guys know in the review. Oh, and also jimping. I didn't say anything about the jimping. I kind of like the jimping. I like the angle of the blade and everything, where you have like your thumb right there, where it kind of hooks onto the notch right there. As you can see right there, that orange is driving me crazy. So you have your thumb right there, and you can really push against it. But if you're pushing hard, though, I don't know if that would, obviously lock on you. I'm going to test it out. I'm going to let you guys know. Obviously, I'm going to see how it kind of goes. I'm kind of curious to see what it looks like taken apart. I'm probably going to YouTube. This is a loaner. So I'm probably going to YouTube some videos on it, see if anybody's done it yet, just so I don't have to take mine, like this one apart, and obviously give it back to them, because I don't want to tear it up or anything. But yeah, I don't want to tear it up. But I don't know if that's a real big issue or not with them. Like I said, like I didn't feel like it was going to move at all. Like it does feel like it has a really good lockup. I don't feel like it's going to come out unless obviously a little bang right there. But I think maybe it's just the slight place you bang it on. Like if you bang it out. Yeah, I don't feel like it was out here. So I don't know. I'm curious. I'm going to do some looking up on it, and I'll let you guys know in the review. It is kind of skeletonized a little bit too to also help with the weight. I didn't say that earlier. I kind of just want to let you know. Let me show you real quick just to make sure. I like to be transparent. And there you go. You can kind of see it right there a little bit. Maybe not right there. There you go. But yeah, I'll let you guys know in the final review about how I feel about it. If you guys liked the video, just leave a thumbs up, please. I greatly appreciate the algorithm. Excuse me, also appreciates it. And if you want to leave a comment, please do. I'd love to hear from you guys. And if you guys have any issues with the button lock and with it also closing when you hit it a little bit, I remember hearing about that, and I kind of just randomly thought about it and did it, and it also closed when you do it. So if you guys still have that issue, like if you guys have one or some other Vosteed knives and it still has that issue, please let me know. I would love to hear about it. And if you can fix it or not like that, what can you do to fix that? I'll probably be doing some research the next couple of days just to check it out. But yep, that's all I got though. If you guys like the video, thumbs up, comment, love it. Have a great day.